Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to set up the sheet set manager, which is tied to the sheet's titles, descriptions, and who it's drawn by, checked by, and the sheet numbers. So the first thing you want to do is type in the command sheet set. I'm going to start with an example sheet set, and then if you go to the template folder, drawing and sheets, there should be a PDG sheet set template. I'll name this the Russell Rogers Warehouse as an example, and we typically save that in the project folder under drawing and sheets for that particular project, which I'll do here. Then we'll click finished, as you can see that we're using that template. Alright, so once we've created that sheet set, we're going to want to import a drawing. I'll import the cover sheet, which I have open right now. Once that's imported, you'll see there that the sheet title is C100 cover. We're going to go into the sheet set and rename that cover sheet. Make that sheet 1 and the description C1.00. And I'll be the designer, drawn by, and JP will be the engineer. So those fields will automatically update. Then I'm going to go into the sheet set manager and right click on the project. I'm going to change the plot date to today's date, and I'll change the total sheets to 1 for now. If I change the designer and checked by properties right here, any sheet that I import will take on those properties. I'm going to go into the title block XREF, and now I'm going to right click on the date text. Notice how the date is 2024. So I'm going to go to sheet set, and then go to the sheet set that we've created and click on plot date, and notice how it changes to the date that we just had added. And just to show you guys one more time, if I change that to 23 regen, it'll automatically update. The next thing I'm going to show you guys how to do is tie the total sheets field to the sheet set itself. So right now it's just X, and so I'll go there, right click, and click on the sheet set again and tie that to the total sheets of the sheet set. And if I change it to 2 and regen, it'll automatically update. Alright, get out of there. If I reload the title block, everything will be updated. The next thing that you can do with the sheet set is right click on it and insert sheet list table. I have a style already created, and we just throw that onto the cover. Note that any sheet that you import after you've imported the sheet list table, you'll have to update the table, which you can do by just right clicking and updating. And that's Sheet Set Manager.